speedy recovery to your eldest son, tama ba?
Yeah, Noah.
First layup. Phillips Manalang.
Smart key to start the season.
Yeah.
Bago siya nag-abra. MJ Hoson. Yeah, maybe. Pat Buena at this point, I don't think so.
James Pangahas. Intis. Pass ahead. Costello setting up. Kobe Monje. Nakuha ni Aaron Baguno. Salazar, short jumper, wala. Got back his own miss. Couple of pump fakes. Kobe Monje tip in. Dami nun na ipasok sa wakas ng Quezon City. Sumoda the rebound. Oson. Pasa kay Kobe Monje. Open free. Bista mo na yan. Rebound nakuha ni MJ Oson. Also the league leader in terms of steals. With a layup. Another all-around brilliance. Madilianos free off.
Ringless but not the good kind.
Oson! Nag-split pa sa ere.
That's their first win against Pasay
Right.
since they joined the league. So that was a big win. That was a big deal for them. Especially for Kong JB.
Oo. Nakita ko, nag-post pa siya of lifting. They were 0-2 before that win against Pasay. ManiPay, the digital wallet built for the community. Swak na swak. Yung tres ulit ni James Mangahas, his third triple of the ball game. Quezon City running their offense. Rosalin, pull-up jumper. Pasok yan. 101-65. Oh, Espinosa umikot, wala. Putback galing kay Jesse Sumoda, who has re-established his career here with Quezon City. Jomar Santos, layo nito! 26 points, 4 of 8 from beyond the arc.
20 plus na naman si Tweety. Ito, dadagdagan pa. Layup ba? Papasa ba? Layup pa rin. Hindi pinasa.
Val Chauca, we did not see him back after injuring his foot. Last 2 minutes brought to you by Sports Plus, the official sportsbook of the MPBL.
How about Jesse Sumoda?
Oh.
Let me just find it. We have time since hindi tayo running time.
Naagaw pa ng Quezon City, 103-72. Sumoda, uy! Left it short. Monje, tinukot pa sa kabila. Marlon Monte. Sorry, that was Monte. My mistake. Pabandang tira, pasok. Galing kay Cal Salazar. Will get back to its winning ways and beating Parañaque soundly here. 106-74.